video, so I'm going to teach you how to create new AI clients. First of all, let's just log into our platform. You should usually see create a new AI client button here, but since I have a lot of AI clients, I'm just going to scroll down. Here you see the create new AI clients. Click on it. There are going to be some like popular scenarios for you to choose from. Or what you could do, you could simply put down what you hope to create. For example, like a 19-year-old school student struggling with stress and anxiety related to coursework. Okay, so we could have very specific case scenarios. You could just paste it here, or you could just create from something you feel good about. Okay, so once you click start, it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute for our system to generate an AI client. At this time, what you need to do is just wait. Feel free to do something else and come back to this. Usually it's like 30 seconds to 1 minute. So okay, so here it is. Now the AI tells us, okay, her name is Emma. It's a Hispanic girl. She's a full-time college student pursuing a degree in biology. So this is pretty much the very basic information. But you also will see this profile summary and current life challenges, background, social and relationships, health and lifestyle, hopes and aspirations. So feel free to read through this. And if you don't like anything here, you could just type say change, like change like a full-time. I think full-time probably makes more sense, but yeah, you could feel free to change whatever you see here that you don't think is a fit, and just treat this as an AI assistant and tell the AI what you want to change, and the AI should be able to change according to what you said. Okay, so once you finish, what you could do is just click on create button, and now our system is trying to save this client, and once it's done, you will be able to redirect it to the home page. Okay, so now we have come back to the home page. Let's go to Emma here. Okay, now you have Emma. I want to also show you, you actually could change evaluation. So right now, if you do not do this, it will be the default, which is the basic counseling skills. However, what you could do is that you actually could change it to some other evaluation template. Here I have many because I created them. Same thing if you click on, evaluations tab here, and you will only see this in your dashboard. And what you could do is that you could click on create with AI assistant. Very similar to the process of creating an AI client. For example, okay, I want a crisis intervention assessment. Okay, so I just click on crisis intervention assessment, or you can type whatever evaluation metrics you want to set. I've had one professor who just tell the AI to go to that URL, so go to that link and learn from it, and then set up a evaluation, and it worked. So that's something new I've learned from our users. So if you could either upload your own evaluation metrics, or feel free to just use the AI to help you to create one. So okay, the now AI has empathy and emotional validation, active listening and responsiveness, application of therapeutic techniques, professional boundaries and ethical conduct, session management and safety planning. Okay, so actually I don't like if you think this is good, you can just same thing, save the template. Or if you don't like it, you can always tell the AI to change it. For example, here I will say, can you make one criteria for suicide prevention. Okay, so now, okay, so you see here, I just need like one criteria, and it's suicide prevention. The 5 means, exceptional ability to assess suicide risk, and provides the proper interventions, collaborate. Yeah, okay. So now I think I like this. This is something, I asked the AI to do. And now there's only one item. But if you still want to assess like 5 different criterias, you can keep talking to the AI. So for example, I need 5 criterias. Can you add another 4? 5 criterias. Okay. So yeah, I'm just showing you, if you don't like what the AI is, has generated, you can always, tell the AI to keep changing for you. Okay, so now the AI has suicide prevention, empathy and rapport building, active listening, crisis de-escalation. I like this one. Safety planning. Okay, I think this is good. I'm going to save. And okay, now it's saved. It's crisis intervention. Now I'm coming back to this page, and I'm going to, I can do a search, Emma. Here I'm going to change the evaluation to crisis intervention. Okay, so now you have this client called Emma, and Emma's evaluation is now crisis intervention. What you could do is that you could come to this course page and click on create a course. Let me just crisis intervention. Okay, so once you create a course, you're going to, okay, see it here. Here's a share button. This is the code. You could copy the code and share this code with your students. So, and now we could click on, this page. We can add the client. The client we just created called Emma. I think, okay, let's go to E. Okay, here, click on add to course. So now Emma is in this course. You will see if students are joining in this course, you'll be able to see their name and email address here. And if you want to delete any clients, you can just remove them from the course. If you want to add more, feel free to add them. Anyone who is going to join the course here are able to see these clients. Once they start, click on start session, the AI client will be in their homepage, so they can access this AI client either from their homepage or the course pages. How do the students join? They just come to the course and click on join. So they just paste the code that you give it to them. That's it. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.